Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox the application encountered an unrecoverable error or any memory dump error. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox and the error you get on the screen is the application encountered an unrecoverable error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. For that, you just need to right click on start menu, click on task manager. In this, if you find any Roblox, you just need to untask that Roblox. Suppose if this is your Roblox, just right click and untask and close this window. After that, you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type this command sysdm.cpl and hit enter. In this you can see here advanced tab, just click on this. After that you can see here startup and recovery, just go to the setting. You can see here it is selected as automatic memory dump. You need to select complete memory dump. After that click OK and click OK. Guys, after doing these settings, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After that, the third step is just you need to press again Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %app data local. Here you have to type %local app data %. And hit enter. Here you have to find Roblox. You can see here you have to select this folder and click on delete. After that, just close this window and click on start menu, click on settings, click on app and preference, click on app, and click on app and features. In this you need to find Roblox player. If you find any Roblox player in this list, you just need to uninstall it from here. You can see here, just need to click on this three dot and click on uninstall. After doing all these steps, you need to install the Roblox. Just click on this Roblox launcher, click on yes, and it will take some time to install this Roblox. After installation, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox the application encountered an unrecoverable error.